Hi students, today we are going to see lesson 1 computer networks. Do you know the computer lab in our school? It is one such example of a computer network. You may find many computers in the computer lab, but a single printer you can use the lone printer from any computer in the lab. How is that possible? The answer is networking. All the computers in the lab are part of a network. The printer is also connected to the network and you can use it from any computer. Thus, a computer network is a group of computers and other devices connected together. This is done for communicating and sharing information. The devices in the network are connected based on the models used. They are client-server model and peer-to-peer model. First topic is client-server model. In the client-server network model, there is a central computer called a server. A server stores data and other forms of resources. A computer connected to a network is called a workstation. The workstations connected to the server in the network are called clients. Next topic is peer-to-peer model. Peer-to-peer is another common network model. There is no central server in a peer-to-peer network. Each workstation on the network shares its files equally with the others. Thus, each workstation acts as a client as well as a server. Next topic is network hardware. The computer network requires specific hardware. Some of these are network cables, network interface card, NIC, modem and router. First one is network cables. Network cables are used to connect one device to another. Second one is network interface card. A network interface card is required to connect a network cable to a computer. Most NICs are found inside a computer. Third one is the word modem. Stands for modulator and demodulator. A modem is a device that converts digital information into analog and vice versa. This is needed for data transmission. A computer can be connected to a modem with the help of cables. Fourth one is router. A router is used to exchange data across different networks. This device is commonly used to connect different networks. Our next topic is structure of a network. The physical layout of the connected devices in a network is known as network topology. Network topology defines the path that the nodes in a network take for exchanging information. Some of the common network topologies are bus topology, star topology and ring topology. First one is bus topology. The bus is the communication medium through which all the devices are connected to each other. Second one is star topology. All the devices in star topology are connected to a central computer called the hub. Each device in this network is connected to the hub with a separate connection. And third one is ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected to two other devices forming a ring. And then last topic is types of network. Some of the different types of networks are as follows. Local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, wide area network WAN. First one is local area network. A local area network is a private network
that operates within a limited area, such as an organization.
This type of network connects computers and peripheral devices
In the same office or building. LANs are widely used in schools, universities, and offices.
Second one is Metropolitan Area Network MAN. A metropolitan area network covers a larger area than a LAN. It is often used to connect a number of LANs. This type of network is used to connect computers at different offices of an organization in the same city.
Third one is wide area network. A wide area network covers a very large area such as a country or continent. This type of network is used to connect computers at various cities in a country or across the world. The internet is an example of a WAN.
Okay students,
What are the topics we have learned?
yes, what is computer networks? Network model, network hardware, structure of a network and types of a network. I hope you understood the lesson.
I will give some exercises. First Roman letter is choose the correct answers. First one. Which of the following is a type of network cable? Option A, coaxial cables. Option B, twisted pair cables. Option C, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. Second one, which of the following topologies has all the computers connected to a central computer? Option A, star. Option B, ring. Option C, bus. The answer is star. Third one, which of the following is not present in a peer-to-peer network? Option A, client. Option B, server. Option C, modem. The answer is modem. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, a dash is a device that converts digital information into analog and vice versa. Answer is modem. Second one, a dash covers larger area than a LAN. Answer is WAN. Third one, an example of a personal area network is dash. The answer is Bluetooth. Third Roman letter, name the type of network used in the following cases. First one, in an office, dash. Answer is LAN, local area network. Second one, in different offices of an organization in the same city, dash. Answer is MAN, metropolitan area network. Third one, in various cities in a country, and dash. Answer is WAN, wide area network. Thank you girls.